Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Centre. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 8. At the restaurant. A customer ordering food from a waiter. Example: can I see the menu, please? / I would like a pizza. Complete above scenario. Answer: scenario, at the restaurant, a customer ordering food from a waiter. Characters: customer and waiter. Conversation. Customer: good evening. Can I see the menu, please? Waiter: good evening. Sure, here is the menu. Customer: thank you. What would you recommend? Waiter: our special today is butter chicken with naan. It's very popular. Customer: that sounds good. I'll have butter chicken with 2 naans. Waiter: would you like anything to drink? Customer: yes, I'll have a glass of fresh lime soda. Waiter: sweet or salty? Customer: sweet, please. Waiter: all right. Anything for dessert? Customer: yes, I'll have a chocolate brownie with ice cream. Waiter: great choice. I'll bring your order shortly. Customer: thank you. Waiter: you're welcome. Enjoy your meal. This scenario helps students practice ordering food politely, asking for recommendations, and making specific requests in a restaurant setting. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Centre. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.